Hello everyone and welcome back again. So today I'm going to be planting out the shallots. Got two different varieties to plant out. We've got the Jamar, which are our own saved. Yes mate, how can I help you? Which are our own saved sets. I've been saving these for the last few years now and growing them on again, and we've been getting great returns off them. And this year I've gone out and got some golden gourmet, so I'm going to give these a go as well. So last year I planted mine out really early. It was in the autumn and we had a really bad winter and a lot of them rotted off, so we lost a lot of them to rot. But this year I thought I'll start them off in cells, keep them in the polytunnel until this time, and plant them out once we know there's no frosts or any cold spells coming. Don't do that, don't do that. Bobby, don't do that please. Leave them there please.
Let me hold that.
Yeah, you can help me now, just leave them there for now. Yeah, when there's no cold spells or anything like that. So I've had a look at the weather forecast for the next 10 days and it's showing quite mild weather, sunshine, a little bit of rain, but nothing below 5 degrees. So I'm more than happy to get these planted out, and they should be more than fine in here. Now last year I did some in a raised bed over there, and I had some left over which I'd put in cell trays and kept in the polytunnel until about this time, and I planted them in these baskets and they did better than the ones in the raised bed. So I'm going for more in the baskets this year, same as we do with the garlic. So alongside of this wall we've got 6 of these shopping baskets. If you ask at the local shopping centre, they've usually got some that they're getting rid of, old ones that they're getting rid of. So as you can see, it's quite nice roots on these. They've been in these pots since December, and I'm thinking 6 in each basket. Should be plenty.
I'm helping you.
You're helping, yeah? Good boy.
Look like this.
6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we'll do 3 baskets of the Jamar and we'll do 3 baskets of the golden gourmet. We'll plant these ones somewhere else. Okay?
Like this.
Yeah, like this.
We do that.
How have I got too many there?
Let's
Let's get rid of that one.
like this. Ta-da!
Well done. Good job, Bob.
What's that?
Let's just microrise off, okay. Right, you stay there now. Right. So planting these, I'm going to do 6 in each. Right, so 6 in each basket is plenty of space I found last year. Roots hanging out the bottoms of these pots. So all I'm going to do is pop them out the pots, tease the roots apart just ever so slightly, and I'm going to bury them just a little bit deeper than what they were in the tray, and I'll give the roots a nice dusting of mycorrhizal. So you can see where we planted them up to in the cell tray. I'm just bringing them down to about here. these beds were filled with some of my own homemade compost,
What are you doing?
some farmyard manure,
What are you doing?
and then, as you'd have seen at the start of the video there, I just topped them up with some clover pot and bedding compost. That should do these right through. These are very dry, so I will give these a good soaking later on this evening. Just make sure everything's nice and wet. They are wet right at the bottom, but on the surface they're quite dry. Where the hell has that come from? A potato. I think somebody's been planting his own potatoes. I think by doing these a bit later this year, I think we'll be in for a better crop. Like I say, there's a lot less chance of losing any to rot and bad weather. We've been quite lucky here. We haven't really had it that bad this year. And like I say, I've checked the weather forecast for the next 10 days and it's looking pretty good. So I'm willing to take the risk and get a few things planted out. I thought I'd start with the shallots. And if you'd like to see how I get on with these throughout the season, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost a thing, it really helps out the channel. Just slug under the pot. Off you go. See you later. I was thinking of maybe planting a couple of lettuces in the middle, but I don't think there's enough room really.
Let me check it. Let me check it. Check.
Check, everything checked alright, everything all check, pass your...
Them right.
Yeah, do they pass your standards?
Them is standard.
Do we say bravo?
Bravo, bravo.
Bravo, yeah. Right, do you want to move out the way of the camera?
Yes.
Can you pick these pots up for me, mate? Put them all together over there. With the other ones, thank you. On your pirate boat, yes, mate. The 2-minute jobs turn into an all-day job sometimes, but we'll get there eventually.
And on the side.
It's okay, mate.
I'm okay.
You okay?
I'm putting this back.
You're putting them all back, yes? Good boy. And there's more here. More here for you.
2, 3.
Just got to try and keep him busy. Bless you, mate. Right. That's the last one of them going in here.
What? I'm gonna have that.
So that's 18 Jamar shallots planted. We've still got quite a few left over.
Go.
Thank you, mate. We'll just put them in somewhere else. I'm thinking about using the old dog beds. I did carrots and beetroot in them. Yeah, I'm thinking the old dog beds over there. I did carrots and beetroot in them last year. I'm thinking of sticking a few of these in there. And anywhere I find some space now, I'll just plonk these in. But there's plenty left there. So we're going to move on to the golden gourmet next. Now these are a bit bigger shallot. They're more round. Sorry, mate. They're more of a round shallot. I've never grown them before. The only other ones that I have grown are the Zabroon. They didn't do very well, but we have got some of them growing from seed as well. And the only other ones that I usually grow are the Jamar, which we've just planted. But these, we're going to do exactly the same with these. These were planted a couple of weeks later than these, but they're just as far along.
I plugged it.
But I think it'll be interesting just to have a couple of different varieties.
I plugged it.
Thank you, mate. Do you go put them on your... You've even put them in order. Good boy.
Put them on my pirate.
Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah, you keep them on your pirate boat. These ones probably could have stayed in here for a little bit longer. Thank you. But
We be on this wall.
they're better off in here.
Today. On this wall.
Right, can you come and stand on this side of me, please, mate? Thank you. Thank you, mate.
You want more? Help.
Yeah,
There you go.
thank you.
You want more? You want more?
Thank you.
Sugar. Sugar. You more? More? Sugar?
Thank you.
Ta-da! I told you, I'll help you.
You are helping, yes. You're a big help.
Let me put it on the floor here.
Oh, you put it on the floor for me. Good boy.
And the last one.
And the last one, and then you can take this tray. You want to take the tray? You give me that. You take the tray. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, mate.
I put it on my pirate boat. Thank you.
So yeah, I'm going to have quite a few of these left
Let
over.
me hold the guard.
But like I say, I'll just
Let
dot
me
them about,
guard them,
or
yeah.
put them in pots. Try experiment and see what size
Let me
pots
guard this
they do better in.
garden.
No.
Huh? You need more. Let's have done.
Right, I'll get the rest of these done and bring you back when we're finished.
You're good. That. Hey, more sugar. Let me hold that, you.
Put a little bit on there.
Ta-da.
A little bit more. There you go. That'll do.
Thank you.
Good boy. No, 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 no. Not like that. It only goes on the roots.
And hold that.
Okay? Goes on the roots, okay?
Like this.
Yeah.
Like this.
Right, no more messing about in there now. We've got to let them grow now, haven't we? Yeah? Gonna let them grow big. How many times do I have to ask you today to put your welly boots on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna put them on?
No.
No. Didn't think so.
I want
Right
to
then guys, so that is 18 Golden Gourmet shallots planted and 18 Jamar shallots planted. Like I said, I will water these in. Bobby, shh, for a minute. I will water these in this evening. But for now, that'll do. I will also get some labels on these. But there is quite a distinct difference in them, so I should be able to tell the difference. And I should remember 3 Jamar, 3 Golden Gourmet.
The meat to go out like my bit.
Right then guys, that is going to be it from us today. Just like to say a massive thank you for watching, and if you haven't, please do consider subscribing and drop me a comment below. Let me know if you're growing any shallots and when do you plant them. Bye for now.